Did you hear that Timmy the Turtle got a straw stuck up his nose? I feel so bad for Timmy. Hi guys, sorry I'm late. Are you okay, Timmy? Yeah, but isn't it so silly that humans drink with a straw? It is. I also saw on Fishbook that now more than 60% of water pollution comes from plastic, litter, and even pet waste. Ew, that's gross. If my calculations are correct, by 2050, there will be more trash than marine life. We can't let that happen. Right. Also, on Instant Fish, I saw that every day the average person walks or drives by about 12,000 pieces of litter.
Here's your salt waters. Here's your straws.
No straws!